was mistreated by some crooks and intimidated and forced to flee to Nairobi, to South Sudan, unfairly and falsely accused. They even said he was a rebel, that he had become a rebel. That's what I was told. They said, how can that be? It didn't make sense to me. But now he has come back, and he has never had any issue with the crooks who did bad things, which we are going to investigate and get to the truth. But he can say some words himself.
I ran for my life. It was very shameful when members of the same party, my own party NRM, our own members, our friends, turning against me after the elections just because of rewards that we were supposed to get. Me as the mobilizer, chief mobilizer Greater North, I was denied facilitations, and yet I managed to do a very good, successful mobilization for NRM, and we got the results together. We turned victorious. We won the elections. But later on, my own friends from the same party decided to kill me, and I ran for my life. Today I'm back home. I am so honored to be received by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. I am back home to work on implementations of government policies and all that we have been preaching to our people during mobilization. I thank you all.